नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आज जो ये डिजिटल सेक्शन के लेक्चर से क्रम में हम आज एक नया लेक्चर लेने जा रहे हैं जो कि केस टेकिंग के ऊपर है और उसका टॉपिक रहेगा हैनीमन्स डायरेक्शंस फॉर केस टेकिंग। उससे पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा that we should be proud of our university, which is the best university in India, especially it's the best women's university in India. And the college we are having, the homeopathic college, is the best homeopathic college in Jaipur. Hope my lecture will satisfy your quest for knowledge. Please listen it carefully and drop your queries in the comment box, which I will answer in the problem solving session. So, Bitya, we are going to start or discuss about Henneman's direction for case taking. We will first of all discuss aphorism 5 of the Organon of Medicine, which states, useful to the physician in assisting him to cure are the ascertainable physical constitution of the patient, especially in the chronic disease, his moral and intellectual character, that is his temperament, his occupation, the mode of living and habits, that is his lifestyle, his social and domestic relations, that is his behavior, his age, sexual function, etc. They are all to be taken into consideration. So these are all the points which are required to complete the case as per Dr. Henneman in section 5 of Organon. In footnote to the section 210, he says, those having good patience when well become obstinate, violent, hasty, intolerant, capricious when ill. So the things which are changed now during the condition of illness, they are the symptoms that we have to follow. In section 213, he says, we shall therefore never be able to cure conformably to the nature, that is to say, homeopathically, if we do not, in every case of disease, even in acute, note the changes in the state of the mind and disposition. So in the acute disease as well as in the chronic, we have to take note of the changes in the state of the mind and disposition. In the footnote to the section 213, Henneman states, thus aconite will seldom or never effect a rapid cure, a permanent cure in a person who is having a quiet, calm, equable disposition. शांत दिमाग वाले पे एकोनाइट काम नहीं करेगी और खुश मिजाज व्यक्ति पे पल्सट्रला काम नहीं करेगी और ऐसा व्यक्ति जो कि डिस्टर्ब नहीं रहता, बहुत इजी है, जल्दी से डरता नहीं है, उस पर इग्नेशिया काम नहीं करेगी। तो ये दवाइयों का खुद का एक नेचुरल डिस्पोजिशन है जो कि एक सिम्टम के रूप में हमें पेशेंट में मिलना चाहिए, तभी वो काम करेगी। Footnote section 93 states, any cause of disgraceful character which patient or his friends do not like to confess voluntarily, physician must skillfully frame the question to note them. To these belong the poisoning, attempted suicide, onanism, indulgence in unnatural debauchery, excess in wine, infection with venereal disease, unfortunate love, jealousy, domestic infelicity, worry, grief, family misfortune, ill usage, barked revenge, injured pride, embarrassment of pecuniary nature, superstitious fear, and imperfection in private parts, and so forth. तो ऐसी चीजें जो बहुत प्राइवेट है पेशेंट के लिए, वो आपसे इजीली डिस्कस नहीं करेगा. यू हैव टू इस्टेब्लिश द रेपर्ट, तभी वो अपनी पर्सनल बातें आपको बताएगा. उसमें कॉजेशन, उसमें पिक्युलरिटी मिलने के बहुत ज्यादा चांसेस रहते हैं. तो इसके लिए बहुत टेक्टफुल क्वेश्चनिंग जरूरी है, ऐसा फुटनोट टू द सेक्शन 93 में हैनीमैन ने कहा है. So this is all in case taking part 7 for today. at the end of this lecture, I would like to give you an assignment which contains subjective question which says, or I want to ask that what are Hanneman's direction for case taking? What are Hanneman's direction for case taking? You have to tell. And our next topic will be case taking part 8. See you again. Until then, goodbye. Take care of your health.